Port Harcourt is the capital of Rivers State, named after colonial secretary Louis Harcourt. What is today known as the city of Port Harcourt up until 1912 was just a farmland belonging to the people of Lebisi. After the discovery of coal in Enugu in 1909, the colonial administration of Nigeria created the port to export coal from the collieries of Enugu located 243 kilometers north of Port Harcourt, which was linked by a railway called Eastern Link. After the creation of Rivers State in 1967 from the old eastern region of Nigeria, Port Harcourt, also known as the Garden City, was made the capital of the new state. With a population projected to be over 3 million, Port Harcourt is the fifth most populous city in Nigeria. The city lies along the Bonny River and located in the Niger Delta. Port Harcourt economy turned to petroleum when the first shipment of Nigerian crude oil was exported through the city in 1958. Through the benefits of the Nigerian petroleum industry, Port Harcourt was further developed, and the city expansion began. Port Harcourt is an interesting city with vibrant day life and nightlife activities. If you are in the city of Port Harcourt and looking for places to hang out, Port Harcourt Pleasure Park is a place for you. If you are considering relocating to Port Harcourt, here are some of the suburbs in the city: GRA, Elekahia, Rumomasi, D-Line, Elelewon, Eliozu, Iboloji, Obulabale, Lumola, Rumigbo, Mbuoba, Diobu, Woji, Amadi Flat, Omocheta, Rumokolo, Borokiri, Transamadi, Abuloma, among others. If you are a student wishing to study in Port Harcourt, there are a number of public and private tertiary institutions in the city, some of which includes Rivers State University, University of Port Harcourt, Kane Selowa Polytechnic, Madonna University, Captain Nelechi Amadi Polytechnic, Ignatius Ajuru University, Pamo University, of Medical Science, Rivers State College of Health and Science Technology, among others. If you are a visitor planning a trip to Port Harcourt, the city can be accessed by air, water, and land from any part of the country. The city is served by Port Harcourt International Airport, which has 2 terminals for both international and domestic flights. Welcome to Port Harcourt, the Garden City.